Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to create this set of conference poster right inside Canva. So let's dive right in. Let's give this background a color. We're using this color 173358, and let's get a test. Place this here. Go to font so we can change the font. We're using this font, this script font, which is Bogus script, and change this to capital letter. That's uppercase. Let's enter the remaining part of the text. Also change to all caps. Then we'll change the font size to Codec Pro. This is better. Then group it. Let's get another test. Business Summit. Uppercase. Codec Pro. And then position it to the center. Let's get a rectangle shape. Duplicate. Let's go to position and tidy up the spacing. All right, for this color, we'll go with for that shape. We'll go with a different color. We're using 69 C4 D3. For this one, we'll be going with FF D250. And let's get the images. Just pick all the images I need for this design. Remove the background. Alright, now we can reduce the saturation of these images because I don't want the color to be so sharp, so I need to reduce the transparency and the saturation rather. So just reduce from here. Okay, this is okay. Now what we can do is to copy that saturation that we just did and apply to the rest of the images. Alright, that way all the images have the same level of saturation. So let's now position our images. Let's zoom out and get another rectangle shape so we can add names. Place this here. I need to change the color to the color we used for the background. And then enter the names. Sarah, Jim. Change the font to codec. Let's zoom in. Duplicate. So Sarah is the convener. And we have to change the font size for this to 12. Then remove the bold. And align them to the center. So it is aligned to the center. We can now group this alongside the shape so that we can duplicate and then move this here, duplicate, so that we don't have to create that afresh. So now we can change the names and get another rectangle shape. I usually use the shortcut R on my keyboard to get my rectangle. So place this here. This is where we can impute a date, the date for the event, 12th October. Change this to codec and also change to capital letter. Reduce the size. The color of this, let's change the color to the same color we used for the background. Now we can duplicate this shape. Align it to the first one, change the color to this yellow. And then move it backward. Duplicate this 12 so we can enter the time for the event. Then AM prompt. Okay, now we need a text that should be somewhere here. So we'll go to our Lorem Ipsum to get a placeholder text. Since we're not designing a real conference poster. So you use Lorem Ipsum to get placeholder text for your design when you don't have a real text for it. So use Lorem Ipsum. So I'll just enter the number of tests, of words rather. So I need 20 words. Click on generate. So it has already generated. I'll change the color to white. I think I'll reduce the size. I'll change the alignment to center. So bring it somewhere here. So make sure it is properly centered. I'll duplicate this text because I need it around here as well. But this time I want it to be left aligned. So I just need part of this text. Just position it. All right. The next text we need, or the next element we need, because this is going to be a Zoom event, so we need a Zoom live event. So we need this, a live icon. We're using this one. So once you search for live, you find this. And if you want to use these images, you can use happy professional women. That's the prompt that will get you these images. So once you enter happy professional women, you find those images. You can choose from a variety of other images. So this event is live on Zoom and YouTube. Stretch it out and left align it. Give it a white color. Okay, let's go for font first. Go to our Codec Pro and then give it a white color. White color. I need to resize this. And then place it here. I need to make this small as well. So it should be aligned to this shape above it. So if you can see the red lines, the red dotted lines. That in Canva, it helps you to align your elements properly. So let's just place it somewhere here. And then bring this down. Let's give this a font of 16. Then duplicate. We should unbold it. Duplicate. To enter the website, www.womenconf.com. Let's give this a 14 so we can have enough space. And ensure these are well aligned. Go to position. Middle. Let's duplicate these. So info at womenconf.com. All right, we need to get a line. So I usually use the shortcut L on my keyboard. You can go to element and pick your line. So let's give this line a white color. And then let's change the line weight to 2. We need to resize this. And then rotate to angle 90. Let's just go to position and enter 90. So if you're struggling to rotate, you can just come here and manually enter the degree of rotation. Let's duplicate this line and bring it here. And let's ensure that everything is well aligned to the middle. So we can now group this and go back to position and center align the entire element. All right, so we need another shape, or rather, yeah, it's a shape. So this is the shape we need, Behu's shape. So just pick it. Let me zoom out. Bring it here. Let's flip horizontal. Duplicate. And let's increase the size first before duplicating. Now we can now we can duplicate. Let's ensure it is aligned properly. Duplicate and bring it up. Ungroup it. And then flip back to the original side. Let's also flip this horizontal. Group it and take it up. Let's bring this entire stuff down so we can have space for our logo. So let's bring in our logo. You can search for business corporate logo. That's how I got this logo. Let's see here, reduce the size, position it to center, change the color to white, and there you have it. So this is our conference poster. I can decide to reduce the transparency for this. Maybe reduce it to 50. Let's copy the style and paste. And then paste. So this is what we have. This is our conference poster. I hope you try this out, and as always, I'd like to see what you come up with. See you in my next tutorial. Thank you and bye.